How to appear offline on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video I will guide you on how you can appear offline on Telegram, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to appear offline on Telegram, even when you're online, open up Telegram, right? So by default everyone else will be able to view your online status, and if you want to appear offline, all you have to do is just tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Then once you tap on the three lines icon, you'll find the option called settings. Just go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll find another option called privacy and security. You just want to tap on that option again, and here you'll find the option called last seen and online. Just tap on that option, and here you can see who can see my last seen time. You want to simply set this to nobody. It means that no one else will be able to see your last seen as well as your online status. Now if you want to of course add an exception, you can just tap on always share with this specific person, and that user on Telegram will be able to go ahead and then view your online status. But just to give you a basic context, this is it on how you can go ahead and appear offline on Telegram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.